everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most iconic and mysterious creatures in Filipino folklore, the Nuno sa Punso. If you have ever walked through the woods in the Philippines and heard someone say, "Tabi-tabi po," this is the spirit they are talking to. But who or what is the Nuno? The Nuno sa Punso means the old man of the mound. They are believed to be small, elderly, dwarf-like beings who live inside mounds of earth, called punso. These mounds are usually found in forests, fields, or even backyards.
So if you were wondering what Nuno means, Nuno means elderly or ancestor. And these spirits are often imagined as tiny old men with long beard, sitting cross-legged while guarding their homes.
The belief in the Nuno sa Punso comes from pre-colonial animism in the Philippines.
Long before Spanish colonization, Filipinos believed that nature was full of spirits. Trees, rivers, rocks, and yes, even mountains were homes to powerful beings. In ancient times, respect for the spirits of nature was a big part of daily life. These spirits, like the Nuno, were thought to be protectors, but if you disturbed or disrespected them, they could bring misfortune.
So what will happen if you offended a Nuno? So if you accidentally step on or damage punso without asking permission, the Nuno might get angry. So people believe he can curse you with mysterious illness, rashes, or bad luck. That's why Filipinos say tabi-tabi po, which means, "Excuse me, may I pass," as a sign of respect when walking near a mound or a quiet natural spot. So how to appease the Nuno? So if someone believes they've been cursed by a Nuno, traditional healer or albularyo are called to perform rituals. So these rituals may include offering food, pouring salt or vinegar, or asking for forgiveness. The idea is to restore balance and show respect to the spirit.
Even today, the Nuno sa Punso is deeply rooted in Filipino culture. It's a mix of fear, respect, and tradition. Whether you believe in them or not, the Nuno reminds us of the importance of respecting nature in the unseen world. You will find the Nuno in folk stories, horror films, and even modern comics and video games, showing that this tiny old spirit still has a big presence in Filipino imagination.
So next time you're walking through a woods or walking past through a mysterious mound, don't forget to say, "Tabi-tabi po!"